This is a 2-pack of external deburring or chamfering tools. I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, it would cost you about $15 for the 2-pack. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinion remains my own. So these guys come out of the bag. They feel just slightly tacky, so there might be a little bit of some type of oil on the outside of them. They have 3 blades in here, which are, I believe, tungsten for cutting into carbon steel. And you can see here the size is basically from about 1 inch down to about 1/4 of an inch. They have little slots here for any scrapings or cuttings to pop out through, and a 1/4 inch drive shaft there. It looks like it might screw on. I can't unscrew it by hand. I imagine it's going to tighten in as you use this. Now the second unit here is smaller, so this is for larger things, and this is for slightly smaller things, so you can get down smaller there with this guy. This one here does not have these little slots on the edges, but it does have little openings here where if you were going in a down direction, things could hit that opening and fall out around the edge. Well, that made the end of that bolt right pretty.